On the way to Philly right now to pay for a van that we won in an auction, auto auction. Headed there now. Won't be able to pick it up until maybe this evening, or I'm gonna have to call AAA to tow it because I don't have anyone to drive it. So we'll see what's gonna happen with that. Other than that, I'm gonna put the phone down, record a little bit of this drive, and continue when we get there.
I begin to
Alrighty, we back on the road. I had to run in and pull out some Kizash, some more Kizash, so I could pay for this van. So yeah.
I begin to
Okay guys, I had to stop, get gas. Got on gas. I had about almost 400 miles. Well, I had for a little bit over 4, but I used a couple miles. Anyway, we are still 37 minutes away. I've lost like 20 minutes somehow. Like, I got off this exit to go get gas, and it was like a million miles away to get the freaking gas. All right, so we are 1 minute away right now. About to be pulling up there. It's been hectic. People are freaking a-hole. All right, so here is the van that we won at the auction. It's a 1996. You see there? Econo. I don't know what's going on. What does that say? Oh, they put Dynasty. That's my username in there. Yeah, it's Econline van. Pretty good looking van. There's a little loose down there on the board. You see a little bit of rust starting to, oh, but that ain't nothing serious. Not like rust, but the rust color. So, you know, this is PA. So, you know, in Philly. So, it's the back of the van. We got a little camera thing up there. There's a little bit of rust up there. Starting to show, but nothing serious. Older van, and this is you can't open this from the back. It said it was broken, but it's all good. We'll have to just fix that. This is the passenger side. Let's take a look inside, and the whole has two remotes. I guess there was 2 keys, but they broke that one and lost it, I guess. But the remotes do work. I don't hear it beep, but you hear it unlock. So this is the inside. Looks like somebody walked in here with muddy shoes. Got the curtains. You see, got the leather and cloth seats combined. It looks pretty good in here. If you see, hold on, I'm gonna stop this and turn the flash on. Okay, now you can see it better. Okay, so somebody got the carpet dirt. I didn't have to clean that, but it looks pretty good for a 96. As old as it is, it looks pretty good. And look at the back. Ceiling, all that looks great. Like, real nice, luxury looking van, huh? I don't want to really climb in and get it dirty, but there's these mats, so I'll climb in. Let's see. Make sure this don't feel too loose. Oh, wow, and I didn't even know. Look, you got the leg propper. I don't know about me selling this, and then I see that needs to be fixed. This is the back. You got the back, and then looks like they left, I don't know, somebody left stuff in there. You got the curtains. Oh, I'm about to fall. You got all that in there. The remotes, old little TV. There, you just kind of pull these things down for privacy. Which is pretty cool. And then I guess if you want them up, you gotta, I don't know how you get them back up. Yeah, I'm not sure. Got that. And then this is the passenger side. You got that. The interior up here, there's no tears on this thing. Just go over here and see this thing cranks up. Let's see. The moment of truth. See if this baby cranks up. I see some wires. I'm not sure what that's about. You kind of see some wires sticking out from under there. I don't know if anybody like try to do something. It might be. I see that there was a camera. Remember that there's that camera added in the back of this thing. We'll do this one does, I'm noticing, doesn't have a ladder. Usually these things have a ladder for like to go up on top of the roof, but let's take a look here. Let's see if this thing cranks up. All right, let's see here. Moment of truth. All right, let's see. Oh, on the first. What the? Check engine light is on. The radio worked. It sounds good, I guess, minus the ding. And how you turn this? Wow, they got the power buttons. As you see, it has 340,000 miles on it. 340,007 miles. The temperature thing is just cold. I guess maybe it hasn't been started in a while. Wow, almost a full tank of gas if the gas actually works. Check engine light is on. I mean, I would expect that with the miles on there. Probably shouldn't have started without hearing, checking the fluids. So I will go ahead and turn this thing off. Yeah, and take the key out. I'd like to check the fluids, before I start starting things up. The gear. Now I can't get the key out. All right, there we go. This thing, rubber is split, but as long as everything else is good, I guess it's fine. Let's see what we got down here. We got some compartments down there for storage. Wet. Yeah, so this is the van that we won. Like I said, look through these things and everything once I get it to the house. You got something up there. I guess that's messed up. They're trying to hold it in with this paper. CD changer and all of that. Yeah, so hopefully this thing, let me put the e-brake on just in case this thing try to roll. Lock these doors. So you see there's like a crack in the door right there. So let's make sure the doors is good and locked. Yeah, but that's the van. I mean, what y'all think? Got my little tip tag in the front. Woo! Let me see if the doors is locked. Make sure the doors is locked. I'm getting wet out here. It's rainy. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video, y'all. Let's take a look at the tires. Make sure them tires, I don't know. They look all right. I mean, they look all right. Not too bad. They don't look too... Oh, we got the tow hitch, too. Oh, this is the 150. Okay, this is the 150. Okay. Some tires, LTD. Tires look pretty good, I mean, expect these, whoever owned it previously, yeah, they definitely rode the hell out of it. A little bit of rust on there, don't look too bad. But yeah, what y'all think about this van? Anybody own this van? Leave a comment. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. We'll be doing another video on this out of the rain.
2,000 years later.
Y'all, I'm getting my van towed to my house because got nobody to drive it down. Are they trying to? Are they bringing in the car? Am I in the way? Somebody's car, Lincoln's car, and another car wreck getting towed in. Look at that. That's crazy. Get my van towed. Let me move. I don't know what they're doing right here. There it goes. Crash that car. Ooh, that joint's messed up in the front. Look at that. Oh, tear that joint up. So there's my van.